Hello and welcome. We are discussing about storage option for our EC2 instance. We have clear understanding about local storage and we have two options for local storage. One, instance store, and the second option is EBS. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about 6 scenario of local storage configuration. Here I have all these 6 scenario. The first is instance store as a root volume, EBS as a root volume, instance store as a data volume, EBS as a data volume, instance store as a root, EBS as a data, EBS as a root, instance store as a data. Now, if you don't know about root volume and data volume, let me clear these things so you know whole video you can able to understand easily. Suppose if I'm going to my computer right now and if I'm going to open this PC, here I have 4 drives, C drive, D drive, E drive and F drive. Here in the C drive we have this icon of Windows. Why we have this? Because my C drive is root drive. My Windows operating system is actually installed over here in this drive. D drive, E drive, F drive, this drive is actually data drive. Here I am storing all my data. My operating system is in the C drive, so C drive is root drive, and D, E, F, these drives is actually my data drive. So here we have this 4 scenario. In the first scenario we are going to talk about instance store as a root volume, right? So can I configure instance store as a root volume? Yes, we can. How? Let's go to the AWS console. See here I have 2 parallel AWS console open because we are going to configure these 6 options. So we are going to use these 2 AWS console. Now first what I am doing, I am going to click on launch instance. Here I am going to select about the first option, instance store as volume. Now if you look at over here, when you want instance store as a root volume, you have to select AMI which is supporting this. Okay. So if I am going to click on browse more AMI, going to community AMI, see this particular AMI is root device type EBS, but I want root device type as an instance store. So I am going to filter this. Okay. And now I am getting list of all the AMI which is supporting root device type as an instance store, right? Now one thing that you need to remember, suppose if I am going to say that I want Windows operating system as well. So see here we have no AMI supported instance store. So Windows AMI not supporting instance store. Keep this in mind. If I am selecting instance store, I am getting only Linux. Now I am going to select the first one, Amazon Linux. Now got it, and look at this root device type instance store. In another window we are going to select root device type EBS. EBS as a root. Now this is very simple process. I can click on browse. Okay, and by default it will show me the list of all the AMI which is having root device type EBS. So I am going to select this. So it is very simple process to select instance store or EBS as a root device type, but there are many things that you need to consider. First of all, if you select root device type instance store, instance type selection will be different. All instance type not supporting instance store as a root device. Suppose if you want to select T2 micro, you cannot select this because T2 micro not supporting root device type as an instance store. Okay. So here the first difference is root device type as an instance store supported by specific instance type. In the case of EBS, all instance type supporting EBS as a root volume, so no need to worry, right? Second thing is the size of your instance store. Suppose root device type is instance store. So size of your instance store is dependent on your instance type. So suppose if I am going to scroll down, see here, this is my root device and instance store volume I am getting. If I am going to click on show detail, I am getting one volume of 1920 GB. Ephemeral, it means if I am going to stop my EC2 instance, it will be deleted. Now here, it is fixed. If you are creating Windows instance, 30 GB. If you are creating Linux instance, you are going to get 8 GB root volume, right? So this is like the one thing. Another difference we have is, suppose if you click over here, see delete on termination not applicable, because you cannot delete your instance. Root device type is instance store, which is ephemeral or non-persistent. If you have EBS volume, and if you click on advanced, and if you go over here, see here we have deleted on termination. Yes, it means if I will delete my EC2 instance, it will delete my volume as well. Suppose if I am going to select no, what will happen? I can delete my instance, but my root volume will be there as it is, and I can attach to another instance whenever I want to attach it. Yes, so these are like two differences that you need to consider. Now, we completed these two scenarios, right? Instance store as a root volume, EBS as a root volume. Now, instance store as a data volume. So suppose if I want to add volume, like I got this